Voilà. At Porto Velero, the main marina complex is a good 10 minutes walk along the sandy roads from the marina itself. So pretty, isn't it?
It's a local part. For the car, we rent the car. We came all the way to the airport, and the guy is just nearly ready. I'm going to go there and pick it up, and it's going to take like 15 minutes. It's been over an hour. We're still here waiting. Poor Dobby is here, but he's behaving very well, aren't you, Dobby? How is it driving in Colombia?
Interesting experience is how I would describe it. The lines in the middle of the road mean absolutely nothing to anybody. If they want to overtake, they just overtake. Had a very exciting journey here.
Yeah.
They can't drive, basically.
Well, they can drive.
They can drive.
All the directions.
Oh,
Everyone comes, like everyone comes from any side you want. It's just crazy.
You get double yellow lines down the middle of the road, which means no overtaking on either side, and then you just get the coaches just go out on a bend you can't see and overtake. Madness, absolute madness. We've survived.
It is. Baby's in a hotel now. Poor thing, he's just sniffing everything.
That's him, tucked up in somewhere.
How is Santa Marta?
Well, I'm not as excited about it as I was expected to be. It's a nice little bits, but this is all pretty industrial. On the one side we've got container city, and on the other side we've got skyscraper city. Santa Marta was first settled by the Spanish in 1525. It is the oldest surviving city in Colombia and the second oldest in South America. Santa Marta is home to just over 500,000 people.
Yeah, where are we going?
We're going to see a waterfall. A Colombian waterfall. How about that?
Yeah, it's a
We had come to Santa Marta to go to the Minca National Park. The park covers 15,000 hectares and was created back in 1964.
Good, they have coffee here. You have a lack of coffee today. Do you? It's nice, but I don't think I'm going in because I can't see where I put my feet, and I don't like that. And I just saw a sign up there saying there is snakes here. So, no.
We made it to the waterfall. It took us over an hour, but we got here, and there it is. I'm not 100% convinced it was worth the effort, but anyway, whatever, we've made it, so we've done it. So here we're there. I've got a little beer to celebrate before we go back.
Was it too expensive, the beer?
No, it wasn't. Actually, even here, we're expecting things to be more expensive because it's a tourist area and away from everywhere else. it was still only £1.25. We're having a wine tasting tonight because we need to get some stock in for the travel journey to the Sunblast. This is our preferred red wine we drink in England, and you can buy it overseas as well. And so this is the benchmark. This is what it's all being compared against, the old Yellowtail Shiraz. Two of them are Portuguese and one of them is from Argentina. And we have a little red number. This is the Argentinian red. So they're all around about 11 and a half, 12 to 13% proof, and we're going to have a cracking evening. So the first one.
But we are not going to do what we did last time with the Canadians.
No, we're not doing what we did with Roberto and Jason. And that is, you get 5 bottles of wine out, and you have to drink the whole bottle before you move on to the next.
No, we have. To, we're going to
just a glass.
Yeah,
just a glass. Okay.
So how's the first one?
Well, we have to bear in mind that this is only £3 a bottle. It's not the most expensive wine in the world, but actually it's not too bad. It's quite aged, really. It does have a little aftertaste that I'm quite careful, but when it's chilled down a bit more, and that's all you've got on offer, it'll be great. We took the Highfield out for a spin and to look at a catamaran that had sunk close to the marina. We understand that it was being used for drug smuggling. After the yacht was captured by the Coast Guard, it began to sink. It was towed to this location so it would sit on a sandbank. Oh, so it's got winches on it. There was also a fishing boat that was captured for fishing in Colombian waters illegally.
Okay, so one of today's jobs is defrosting this fridge. This is a drinking fridge, and it gets very icy. I have the vegetables here too, but it gets very, very icy, and then you can't close and open the drawer properly. Drink too many alcohol drinks here, Carla. I normally have to clean the fridges very often. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the environment here. It's too hot, and I don't know. But this week I had to clean the freezer and the fridge and freezer, and now the drinks fridge. It's a bit annoying because the freezer, you take everything out. It's quite quick the way they defrost the ice, but then your food is defrosting too. So yeah, that's what I have to do, like once every other month. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make an extension for the outboard engine, just so I can get a little bit further forward in the rib, and that'll make us planer easier. So Kevin, some friends of ours, gave me this aluminium ore. So I've cut it off and cutting it down, and now I want to just put some rubber around it so it doesn't damage anything and looks nice.
Very clever.
So I'm going to put this heat shrink on here, I decided in the end. So here we go. There we go.
A new toy.
Yeah. I mean, I might need to put a clamp around it. But I'm just going to see how it goes to start with. See whether it's successful.
Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video where we were very brave and rent a car to go to Santa Marta.
I don't know which one was the braver, me for driving or Carla for being the passenger, to be honest. It was all a bit of a whirlwind. They just do whatever they want, and they have absolutely no respect for what generally we think as the rules of the road.
It was terrible. It was really terrible.
Especially when you get into town and the motorcycles come in all directions and just
Yeah.
absolutely bombard you.
Yeah.
But we managed it without any scrapes.
No, yeah, it was good.
And we went to Santa Marta.
Then we went to Santa Marta, we went to the park, up to the park, and I wanted to see the waterfalls because it's very famous for the waterfalls.
Yep.
We got a bit disappointed, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't quite as spectacular as we were expecting.
It wasn't.
But it was a good walk.
Yeah, it was a good hike. Yeah, we had a very, very good walk. They normally rent, not everyone walks up there. We chose to walk, but people go on the motorbikes, on the back of the motorbikes they call it motor taxis, isn't it?
Yeah, motor taxi. As you saw in the video, you saw them coming down. But we didn't fancy that, did we?
No, I don't fancy that at all. I don't do that. So no. Yeah. And but it was nice. It was a nice day. A nice day out.
And Santa Marta was nice.
And then we stopped on the restaurant. It was quite nice.
Yes, we did.
It was kind of a healthy food, wasn't it? Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Lost in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
But it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Santa Marta was quite nice, really. It's a very busy city, lots of things going on there. And as you can see, they've got a container port and also the sort of sky cove scraper front. And then we did the wine tasting.
Yeah, we did.
And do you know what came out on top? The 2 Portuguese wines.
Yeah, we are good.
So we stocked up with those for the trip to San Blas, and that is exactly where we are now.
Yes, that's where we are. Beautiful San Blas.
So thank you very much for watching.
Yes, thank you very much for watching, for following us. If you can subscribe to our channel, it would be great and help us a lot. If you can follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, would be appreciated too.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you can always follow my blog.
Yeah, about Simon's blog on Facebook. You know, he tells a story of our life every day.
Except Sunday. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys.
Bye.